In this video, I'm going to talk about the difference between potential and kinetic energy. So as I go through it in the video, you should be writing it down in your notes. The first is potential energy, and you've probably heard of both of these before, but I'm just going to give you like an actual definition. So potential energy is stored energy. A lot of people, when they think of potential energy, think of like a ball sitting at the top of a hill that has not gone down the hill yet. The energy that the soccer ball or any ball has at the top of the hill is the potential energy, the potential to move, okay? So the different types of potential energy include gravitational, so that ball at the top of a hill situation is gravitational potential energy. We have chemical potential energy. That's the energy that's stored in your food, stored between bonds. You have nuclear potential energy. That's the energy that the protons and neutrons have in the nucleus. And then you have elastic potential energy. And elastic potential energy is like if you stretch a rubber band really far before you let it go. All of that energy stored in the rubber band, that would be potential energy. Another example would be like a spring that you can pull and stretch, and then when it's fully stretched, it has all that potential energy. Kinetic energy is the energy of movement, and in chemistry, we are specifically looking at the energy of the molecules and how they move. There are a few different types of kinetic energy as well. So mechanical would be like you riding a bike because you're moving. That is kinetic energy. Electrical, so charged particles running through a circuit that gives you electricity because those particles are moving. That would be kinetic energy. Sound, so when sounds are made, they are sound waves, and as they travel, that would be kinetic energy. You have radiant energy, the sun's energy. So the energy that the sun gives off is moving in waves. And since it's moving, it's kinetic. And then the last one is thermal energy, which is the movement of molecules from heat. And that's specifically what we're going to be looking at this unit.